are reports that Oliver Blume, the CEO of Porsche himself, half affirmed a PHEV model of the company's most critical auto at the LA car exhibition. Blume stated, "We are taking a gander at a module crossbreed 911. It will be propelled when there is a business opportunity for it, which examiners say will be around 2023. The remark dovetails pleasantly with a Bloomberg report a couple of months back about the secretive model, and could end 4 years of theory, somewhat fed by Porsche, in the matter of whether and when it would create a battery-help 911. The cutting-edge 911 gets uncovered in the not-so-distant future. We presumably won't know last specs on the module show until 2022 or something like that. However, the normal specs are a 3.0-liter level 6, an E engine with 94 drive and 229 pound-feet of torque, and a 10.8 kWh battery. A discussion present that shows up on Be Interpreted from German, and is likely the automobile journalist's report for a German production, additionally predicts an uncommon E-transmission with 8 riggings, freewheel and recovery. Total yield of such a framework would come to 485 horsepower and 561 pounds-to-foot, with 0 to 60 miles per hour flying off in 3.5 seconds, and a best speed of 197 miles per hour. On the Excite side there will be a catch giving a 20-second torque support and on request all-wheel drive. On the Eco side there will be lift-off drifting and 40 miles of all-electric range. For nerds, expect an advanced dashboard put something aside for a simple tachometer, and an enlarged reality heads-up show. Vehicle trusts that notwithstanding the PHEV show, the coming 911 gets another mark for our earth-shattering brand event. It will probably be the last 911 on an interesting stage. The model after the 992 is relied upon to move to the Volkswagen SAS design that will be imparted to the 718 twins, the Audi R8, and Lamborghini. Street and Track, then again, trusts the 911 uncovered for this present year will be on the new particular stage. Before at that point, we're taking a gander at a direct advancement of the current 911, with a more extensive backtrack and back spoiler. The redesigned EA9A2 Level 6s and the 992 get refined burning procedures, 48-volt gentle crossover help, increasing numbers by 20 horsepower and 52 pounds-to-foot, and an auto molecule channel to decrease emanations. By show, the normal power numbers are 400 horsepower in the base Carrera, 450 horsepower in the Carrera S, and 620 horsepower in the Turbo S. There's an 8-speed PDK in the pipeline, however we can't tell if that is planned for all models, or just for the Turbo S. The GT3 will resign its normally suctioned 4.0-liter and get a twin-turbo 3.8-liter with something like 550 horsepower. The dispatch program starts with the Carrera this October, going through October 2019 when the Creation Turbo demonstrates its face.